to prove that x plus x is equal to x in a Boolean algebra. How you can prove it?
सर उसके लिए एक्स के प्लेस पे दो इनपुट लेंगे जैसे 0 and 1 एंड 0 + 0 इज 0 और 0 इज 0 एंड 1 और 1 इज 1.
I'm unable to understand how we can do it. If you have x plus x is equal to x, you have to prove it. One way is by truth table. Okay, to put the values. Okay, as the girl said. ठीक है, जैसा इन्होंने कहा कि अगर आपको x प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्रूव करना है, ठीक है, तो कैसे प्रूव कर सकते हैं? वन इज टू वेरीफाई द वैल्यूज. ओके, वेरीफाई थ्रू द वैल्यूज. ओके, all possible values for x plus x is uh, all possible values for x plus x is, if x is a Boolean variable, then x either have a value 0 or have a value 1. So it will be either, if x is 0, then it will be 0. If x is 1, then it will be 1. So it is the one of the method by using the truth table. Okay, but if I ask you whatever the theorems you have studied up to till now, or whatever the postulates you have seen up to till now, you have to use that thing, and after using that thing you have to prove it. Okay, because all the theorems, there may be the two different ways, but this method is more important, because if it will be uh, it will be more bulky, then it will be not good to create a truth table for all. Okay, so if I am writing here x plus x, okay, is the whiteboard is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
X plus x is equal to x. Okay, so whatever the postulates you have studied up to till now, okay, it have one of the postulates that x into 1, if you have a Boolean variable x or a, then a into 1 would be what? A into 1 would be
A. A.
A.
A.
a. Okay, okay, this is already given to you in the postulate number 2. Okay, for the definition of the Boolean algebra, it is given that x dot 1 is equal to x. Okay, so if you are taking uh, x dot 1, so you can write it x plus x, okay, as x plus x can be written as x plus x, x, it can be written as x plus x, x plus x into 1 by using that particular postulate. Okay, that is x dot 1 is equal to x, and that's why we can write it as such. Now after this, this is also known to us that if I have x, then there exists always a x bar for that. If x is equal to 1, suppose that if x is equal to 1, then x bar will be equal to 0. Okay, if x is equal to 0, then x bar will be equal to 1. Okay, this is always true. Okay, so I can write even x plus x bar is equal to 1, x plus x bar is equal to 1. Okay, so we can write it here x plus x, okay, is equal to x into x plus x bar. Just expand it. Okay, we know that there is a absorption, there is a distributive law. Okay, and distributive law says that a plus b into a plus c, this is equal to a plus bc. Okay, so this will be equivalent to x plus x bar. Now if anyone x is 1, then x bar will be 0. It is already in the definition of the Boolean algebra. So it will be x plus 0, and this is also a basic definition of the Boolean algebra, though it can be written as x. Okay, so this is from the basic definition of the Boolean algebra. Okay, this is not introduced any, this is very simple thing. Okay, x plus x is equal to x, but by using the basic definition of the Boolean algebra, we can also show it, or there is another method that we can show it using the truth table. Okay, that is uh, by using all possible values of x. If x is equal to 0, then both x will be 0 or both x will be 1. So addition of 0 plus 0 will be 0, and 1 plus 1 will be 1. So both method can be used. Now, if I say you that uh, actually sometimes it is necessary in some of the algebraic problems. Okay, sometimes such type of tricks are used where you have to replace 1 by some algebraic expression or 0 by some algebraic expression. This is very common. Okay, but at this place, yeah, this is very simple. Such type of question may not be asked to you in examination, but in spite of that, this is the basic, okay, by which we can understand how we can replace 0 and 1 with some algebraic expression. Now if I say that x is equal to x. Okay, okay, this is clear. X dot x is equal to x. One method is how to show it. Anyone? Anyone? One method will be using truth table. What particular value should the truth table have?
Zeros.
Yeah,
0 and 1.
either it is 0 or 1. If it is 0, then x dot x will be 0, and
0.
or x dot x will be 1. So by truth table it is very simple. Just illustrate it. Another ways you can write is x dot x is equal to x dot x dot x plus 0. Okay, since this is the basic definition of Boolean algebra, 0 is identity element over addition. So any Boolean variable plus 0 will be that one. It is already discussed in the previous class. Okay, now if this is x dot x, okay, if this is x dot x, now if there is existence of x, okay, then there will be exist the complement of x. Okay, if the complement of x exists, then if the value of x is 0, then its complement will be reversed, it will be 1. If the x or the value of x is 1, then its complement will have a value 0. So the multiplication of these two will always be a 0. So this 0 can be replaced by this one. Okay, this 0 can be replaced by this one. After that, we can take this x as a common, and this will be x plus x bar. So we have already stated that x plus x bar, it is already stated that, okay, not, it is not stated, but if x plus x bar, since x dot x bar is equal to 0, if there is a x, its complement will also exist. If it is 0, then it will be 1. If it is 1, then it will be 0. So its sum will always be a 1. Okay, its sum will always be a 1. So it will be equivalent to x. Okay, so both the methods are valid. Okay, either you may show it by the truth table, or you may show it by the basic postulates. Okay, is it clear to all?
यस सर पीछे वाला क्लियर नहीं हो पाया था सर थोड़ा
ओके, क्या प्रॉब्लम थी?
सर सेकंड सेकंड के बाद से सर जो तीसरा वाला लिखे उसमें प्रॉब्लम आया सर।
ओके, ये आपको एक एक बेसिक, जब आपको डिफिनीशन बुलियन अलजेब्रा की बताई गई थी वहां पे आपको ये बताया गया था कि ये आपका कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव है, ठीक है। तो वहां आपको बताया गया था कि इफ यू हैव ए प्लस बी सी, इट कैन बी ए प्लस बी इंटू ए प्लस सी, इज
यस
इट?
सर, यस सर, यस
ओके,
सर, ओके सर।
now we are using the same things, okay, that
हम्म, ओके सर, समझ
uh,
में आ गया।
is it clear?
यस सर, यस सर।
Okay, if I have this is a, this is b,
हम्म,
ठीक है। So
हम्म,
this is this part, okay, a plus b into a plus c, a plus b and this a plus c, so it can be extended as a plus b into c, is it clear?
यस सर।
और किसी को कोई डाउट, एनीवन?
सर लेकिन ए और बी दोनों बराबर हो सकता है सर?
ए और बी दोनों बराबर हो सकता है, बट इफ ए एंड बी आर इक्वल, यहाँ ए और बी दोनों ऐसा है बराबर हो सकता है, व्हाई नॉट?
ओके,
It is
ओके
not
सर।
written that A and B should be distinct. Actually, in Boolean, actually the value of A and B will be only two possible values, zero
यस,
or one.
यस,
Okay, so it may be equal. There is no such case. Okay,
ओके,
is it clear?
यस सर।
Okay, so uh, now there is a theorem that is you have to show that it is, this was given to you to discuss it by yourself, okay. Yeah, the theorem 2a that was written in the chart, that is x plus 1, x plus 1, okay, will be 1. How to show it, how to prove it? X plus 1 is equal to 1 through algebraic method. So it is x plus 1, okay, it is x plus 1. So x plus 1, LHS is, LHS is, LHS is x plus 1. So x plus 1 can be written as 1 into 1 into x plus 1. The basic postulate of the Boolean algebra says that, okay, 1 dot x is equal to x dot 1 is equal to x. Okay, so it is 1 dot x plus 1. Okay, if it is 1 dot x plus 1, 1 dot x plus 1, then this one can be replaced by, if there is existence of x, then there will always exist a x bar by the rule of the Boolean algebra, and its sum will be equal to 1. So x plus x bar into x plus 1, it can be written as for x plus 1, x plus x bar into x plus 1. Now again there is a absorption law, okay. There is x plus x bar and x plus 1, so it is a plus b into a plus c. What, how it can be extended? A plus b into a plus c,
A
so how it can be extended as a
A
plus
plus
bc,
BC.
so x plus x bar into 1. Now 1 into any Boolean variable will be, since 1 is identity element over multiplication, so you have a x bar only, so it will be x plus x bar. Now if it is x plus x bar, if the value of x is 1, its complement will be 0. If the value of x is 0, its complement will be 1, so x plus x bar will always be equal to 1. Is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubt?
सर एक बार फिर से ये वाला नहीं आ-
Okay. Okay. Since we have a x plus 1, हमारे पास है x plus 1. x plus 1 can be written as 1 into x plus 1. x plus 1 को लिखा जा सकता है 1 into x plus 1. Okay, now since this is basic postulate that the 1 is identity element over multiplication, so 1 dot any boolean variable will be boolean variable itself, so it is equal. Now this 1 can be replaced as x plus x bar. If x is any boolean variable, then x bar is its complement. So if x is 1, x bar will be 0. अगर x 1 है तो x bar 0 होगा, x 0 है तो x bar 1 होगा, और इसका सम हमेशा 1 होगा. ठीक है, तो I am replacing 1 by x plus x bar and this is x plus 1. Now we are using the formula that a plus b into a plus c. Okay, this will be equal to a plus bc. Okay, now I'm using this formula. This is x plus x bar, this is x plus 1, so consider this as b and this as c, so it will be x plus x bar into 1. Okay, since 1 is identity element over multiplication, 1 into x bar will be x bar itself, so it is x plus x bar. Okay, since x is a boolean variable, x bar is a complement, so value of x is 1, the x bar will be 0, the value of x is 0, x bar will be 1, so its sum will be always equal to 1. So it is 1 and this is equal to RHS. Is it clear?
यस सर
सर एक बात बोलना था सर.
हाँ बोलिए.
सर ये समझ में आ जा रहा है सर, लेकिन जो शुरू में आप कर रहे हैं कि सर 1 प्लस के साथ कभी लेना रह रहा है, कभी डॉट के साथ लेना रह रहा है सर, जो शुरू में स्टेप कर रहे हैं सर, वो चीज नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि कैसे लेंगे, सोचेंगे कैसे सर कि 1 लेंगे कि 1 प्लस के साथ लेंगे कि डॉट के साथ लेंगे.
देखिए, ऐसी चीजें आपको ज्यादा ज्यादा करनी नहीं पड़ेंगी. ठीक है, पहली बात ये थ्योरम का प्रूफ है. ठीक है, तो ये प्रूफ्स आपको उतने नहीं आते. हाँ, कुछ क्वेश्चंस में जरूर ऐसा करना पड़ता है कि कहाँ आपको 1 और 0 लेना पड़ता है, ये उसी का बेसिक है. जब क्वेश्चन आएंगे, और वो निश्चित रूप से प्रैक्टिस के साथ आएगा. जैसे जैसे आप वैसे क्वेश्चन ज्यादा करते रहेंगे, निश्चित रूप से थ्योरम तो आपका सेट है, x plus 1 is equal to 1 शो करना है अलजेब्रिक मेथड से, तो आपके पास एक ही तरीका होगा. ठीक है, लगभग या दो तरीके होंगे, तो आप उसको उस तरीके से फॉलो कर लेंगे. बट जब क्वेश्चंस में इस तरह की चीजें आती हैं, ऐसा आता है, क्वेश्चंस में भी ऐसा करना पड़ता है, तो आप जब क्वेश्चंस में आती है, वो प्रैक्टिस के साथ आपके अंदर डेवलप होगा. इज इट क्लियर?
यस सर.
वो प्रैक्टिस के साथ क्लियर होगा, और तब उस समय हम आपको ट्रिक भी ऐसा बताएंगे, क्योंकि अभी उतने वेरिएशंस नहीं है क्वेश्चन में, तो अभी आपको उतना ट्रिक बताना भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो हम ट्रिक भी आपको बताएंगे कि कहाँ पर आप क्या कर सकते हो. ओके, then now there is a principle of duality. Okay, principle of duality says that if we replace the plus by dot, okay, dot by plus, okay, 0 by 1 and 1 by 0, if we replace this, we get a equation in a Boolean algebra. This is already equated. Is it clear? आपको एक ऐसा इक्वेशन मिल जाएगा जो जो इक्वेशन की प्रॉपर्टी को होल्ड करेगा, इफ देयर इज ऑलरेडी अ इक्वेशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, in the last question we have x plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so x plus 1 is equal to 1, x plus 1 is equal to 1. We have proved it that x plus 1 is equal to 1. Now suppose that the next question is we have to prove the theorem. Okay, we have to prove the theorem that x dot 0 is equal to 0. Now rather than doing this, okay, rather than doing this, we can do that. This is a equation that we have already proved. Just apply duality principle. Duality principle. The duality principle says that, okay, write x, replace plus by dot, 1 by 0 equal to this is 1 by 0, and this is hence proved by principle of duality. Is it clear? बात क्लियर हुई? अगर कोई
Yes.
सर एक
इक्वेशन
बार
हो
फिर से बताइए
जिसमें
सर।
1 लिखा हो, 0 लिखा हो, प्लस हो, डॉट हो, और वो एक इक्वेशन हो, इक्वेशन मतलब जहां इक्वल होल्ड करता है, दैट इज इक्वेशन। तो उस इक्वेशन में आप सभी 1 को 0 कर दीजिए, प्लस को डॉट से रिप्लेस कर दीजिए, 0 को 1 कर दीजिए, डॉट को प्लस से रिप्लेस कर दीजिए। ये पूरा रिप्लेसमेंट आप कर दीजिए तो वो भी अकेले एक इक्वेशन हो जाएगा जो इक्वल को होल्ड करेगा। इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
So if I have x plus 1 is equal to 1, we may replace the 1 by 0, the plus by dot. Here there is no 0, so 0 is just apply principle of a duality here. Okay, see, okay, just apply principle of duality here. What you will get? Write x,
X
okay,
plus 1.
replace dot by plus 0 by 1 is equal to, and it is 0 by 1, x plus 1 is equal to 1. Is it clear? तो आप इस पे डुअलिटी लगाएंगे तो फिर आपको वही ओरिजिनल मिल जा रहा है। ठीक है? एनी डाउट? हेलो, एनीवन?
No, sir.
समझ में आ गया सबको?
यस सर।
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now prove that x bar is equal to x. One method is by using truth table. In all the above methods, truth table is an easy way to solve, to prove this. Okay, because truth table you have this, since there is very less number of variables, so the truth table will be small, so it will be very easy to prove it, to show it by truth table. Okay, but if I ask you that how it can be proved by algebraic way, so we have x, then for x there exists x bar, okay, in the boolean variable, okay, that x plus x bar will be equal to 1, okay, and x dot x bar will be equal to 0. Is it true?
यस सर।
So for x, there exists a unique x bar such that x plus x bar is equal to 1 and x dot x bar is equal to 0. Okay. Now consider here. Since x bar is element of the boolean set. Okay. So if x bar is a element, then there exists a unique complement of x bar. Okay, such that x bar, okay, plus x bar is equal to 1 and x bar dot x bar is equal to 0. Okay, now since there exists a unique complement, so if it is unique complement, so in both the equations, if the unique complement exists, it means that x will be equal to x bar. Is it clear or not? ये बात आया समझ में कि नहीं? हमने कहा कि एक x
यस
है,
सर।
उसका एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट एक्स बार एग्जिस्ट करेगा, ठीक है, एक यूनिक एक्स बार, अकेला एक्स बार एग्जिस्ट करेगा जो कि एक्स प्लस एक्स बार 1 हो जाएगा और एक्स डॉट एक्स बार 0 हो जाएगा। तो हम अगर उसको दूसरे तरीके से देखें तो हम कहेंगे एक्स बार एक उसका एलिमेंट है उस बुलियन सेट का, तो एक्स बार अगर एक एलिमेंट है तो उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी एग्जिस्ट करेगा एक्स बार का बार, ठीक है, मतलब एक्स बार बार, ठीक है, और उसमें हम x प्लस एक्स बार बार इज इक्वल टू 1 होगा एंड x डॉट एक्स बार बार इज इक्वल टू 0 होगा। अब हम कह रहे हैं दोनों में कि यूनिक कॉम्प्लीमेंट है। जब यूनिक है इसका मतलब है कि x प्लस एक्स बार 1 हो रहा है, ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब होगा कि x इज इक्वल टू एक्स बार का बार। इज इट क्लियर और नॉट? जब हम कह रहे हैं कि यूनिक है, इसका x का कॉम्प्लीमेंट एक्स बार यूनिक है, तो एक्स बार का जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट है जो इस इक्वेशन को होल्ड कर रहा है वो अगेन वो x होगा। बात समझ पा रहे हैं कि नहीं आप लोग?
यस सर।
Okay. Now, what will be value of x plus xy?
एक्स होगा
X
सर।
plus, okay, x plus xy, since by absorption law we can show that it is
एक्स।
x, okay, 1 plus y, okay, take here common x, so it is x into 1 plus y, since 1 plus any boolean variable is, it is already shown that it will be equal to 1, so it will be x dot 1 and it will be 1. It 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 will be it will be x, okay, it will be x dot 1, it will be x, okay, x plus xy will be equal to x. Now if the principle of duality uh, can be used here, if you have to show that, okay, I am hinting you, if you have to show that x into x plus y, x into x plus y is equal to x. Is it possible to show it by duality? Is it the dual of this one or not? Student, just think, is it dual of this one or not?
Yes, sir.
डुअल कहने का मतलब सर?
डुअल कहने का मतलब कि प्लस को डॉट से रिप्लेस करिए, वन को
यस सर,
जीरो
यस सर,
से,
यस सर,
जीरो को वन से,
यस सर,
डॉट
यस
को
सर,
प्लस से, okay, so just think if it is dual or not, if it is shown by just dual of this equation or not.
यस सर, प्रूव कर सकते हैं।
Okay, this will be very clear as you have, I am showing here that as you have shown that x plus xy, x plus xy, this is equal to x, okay, as you have shown that x plus xy is equal to x. So just apply duality, we have x, this plus will be replaced by a dot. Now this is x and this dot will be replaced by a plus, okay, so this is x dot x plus y, this is equal to x, hence proved by duality. Is it clear? इसमें किसी को कोई
यस
डाउट है? If
Yes, sir.
anyone have any doubt, please ask. Is it clear to all or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so it's clear, then this is very good. Now if you have to solve the algebraic expression for the Boolean algebra, okay, we will show it later on. Then what will be the precedence? Okay, just note the precedence. Okay, the precedence is, it will be in order of the parenthesis, then not and or. Parenthesis, then not and or. Precedence. The first one is a parenthesis bracket. Then there will be not, then there will be and, then there will be or. If you have to solve any expression having the not, and, or, and a bracket, then the first priority is given to the bracket. Okay, precedence means priority. The first priority is given to the bracket. Okay, then the priority will be given to the not, then and, then or. Okay, if I say you that not 0 and 1, what will be its result? Not gate is applied on 0 first. Okay, not operator is applied on 0 first. So the precedence says that here what will be the result if it is 0 and 1. Okay, then the result will be 0 and not of 0 will be 1. Okay, or I think that this is should be or. I am writing or 0. Okay, if you are operating or first means it is 0 or 0. Since both are 0, the result will be 0, and not of this will be equal to 1. Actually, this is not setting a good example. Okay, I am unable by this example to show you the difference. Okay, I will discuss it later on with some better examples. Better examples. Uh, but before going there, we will discuss here some Boolean function. Okay, Boolean function. I am just illustrating it since there is only 2-3 minutes. Okay, so what is a Boolean function? Okay, Boolean function is something. Okay, Boolean function. What is a Boolean function? Actually, whatever truth table you have. Suppose that if I am saying you that you have an expression that you have expression that x plus y. So what is this x plus y? If I say you to build a truth table of x plus y, you may build it as such x, y, x plus y, okay, something. You will say that it may be a 0, 0, it may be a 0, 0, 1, it may be a 1, 1, 0, it may be a 1 and 1, 1, it may be a 1. Okay, so you will say it like that. But I am asking them, what is this? Okay, what is this? Anyone? Anyone?
Sir, algebraic expression.
Two
Algebraic
operands
expression.
x and y, and plus is an operator or operator.
Good. And any other? Okay. You all are right. Okay. You all are right. I'm asking you one thing more. Okay. Just see that. What is this? Again, I'm asking the same question. What is this? Just to change your viewpoint. Okay. That it is correct. Okay. What you said up to till now. We are giving here x and y. Okay. So we are inputting here x and y, and you are getting here x plus y. If I say that fx is equal to fx is equal to x plus fx comma y is equal to x plus y, what does it mean?
Function x y
Fx comma
belong
y is equal to x plus y.
sir function x y belongs to x plus y.
Okay, so it is a function such that x and y are input, and after inputting x and y you get a output as x plus y. Is it clear? Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now The question is, if you have this function, you may build a truth table. Okay, and vice versa may be done or not. If I am not writing here x plus y as expression and it is not shown to you, I am just giving you value. Can you find out the expression from it? This may be not those so simple one. It may be complicated. It may have three variables, four variables, or it may be. Hello, anyone?
सर एक बार रिपीट कीजिए
Anyone?
तो रिपीट कीजिए तो
नो सर वी कांट फाइंड, क्योंकि हमें पता ही नहीं रहेगा ना ऑपरेट किस पे करना है, किस फंक्शन पे करना है, और ऑपरेटर है
Okay.
या एंड ऑपरेटर है।
Uh, okay, but we will discuss it later on. That says, if it is possible that if have we have a function, then we can find its truth table. Then it is also possible by seeing a truth table that you may find out a function. It is very much important. Suppose you have a logic circuit. Okay, suppose that you have a logic circuit. You are a computer engineer and you have a logic circuit, and there are two input pins. Using two input pins, you are supplying the voltages, high voltage and low voltage, as 0 and 1. Okay, and on the other side, on the output side, you are getting a particular value. You may plot a chart. Okay, you may build a truth table of all these. But after all the permutation combination, you may build a truth table. But it is important to understand what is circuit inside it. It is important to find out the function. If you want to optimize the function, if you want to any such thing, then you have to find out the function. And you have to find out this function by using whatever values you have calculated in your truth table. So it can also be done, and it will be discussed in the next class. Okay, how by seeing the truth table you may find out the function, and how you can optimize that. Means optimizing means that the number of rows in the truth table may be minimized if possible. If the number of any variables is maybe eliminated, that is a simplification. That is a simplification of some question, whatever you have already done in your UG syllabus, in the UG work. Okay, okay. Now all other will be discussed in the next class. Okay, it is 12 onwards. Any student, Atul, will just take the snapshot and
Yes.
send it to my WhatsApp. And thank you all.
थैंक यू सर
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
You may drop now.